Differentiation of sin x. Cos x. Differentiation of cos x.
Minus x.
Differentiation of tan x.
X.
Differentiation of cot x.
Minus
Differentiation of e power x.
e power x.
Differentiation of secant x. Secant x. Differentiation of cosecant x. Cot x. Differentiation of x power n. Okay. Next we are going to see first product rule. After that, we will see what is a power x, the sequence of a power x, how we are getting that formula, and then we will be going for the first derivative of a power x by using first principle. Okay. Product. Okay. We are taking two variables. Finish. B by dx of f of x into g of x. Let us write the result first. F of x one variable, g of x another variable. Okay. F of x into g dash of x plus g of x into f dash of x. Okay. Let us try to prove this. Okay. Now we know the formula. This is the derivation of the product rule. Okay. Differentiation of the product rule. Now let's say d by dx of f of x. You know this one, dy by dx. What will you say? Limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x minus h. Now I'm taking d by dx of f of x into g of x. Following it? How will you write this one? Limit h tends to 0, f of x into minus. Very good. This you know that. Okay. What I'm going to do? Add and subtract. Some people will say subtract. It should be subtract. Those who are coming for interview say subtract. What you should say? Subtract. You are all students. Add and subtract. What will you say here? F of x plus x into g of x. Okay, students? In the numerator. In the numerator. Okay. No, no, this will just I forgot. Okay. Now listen to me, numerator. Now listen to me. Let me write this slowly. Limit h tends to 0. First I will subtract, then I will add. Okay. Now first term we are writing as it is. F of x plus h, g of x plus h. Now I am going to subtract minus f of x plus h and g of x. Next I am going to add f of x plus h into g of x. And what is the last term? Minus f of x into g of x. Whole thing divided by f. Okay, yeah? Right. Next is Siddhanath today very happy. Now, limit h tends to 0. Here are following it. From the first two terms, what can I take it in common? F of x plus h. What is left out there?
G of x plus
Minus
G of x.
then from the next two, what you are going to take it in common?
G of x.
G of x. What will be left out?
F of x plus x.
Minus
F of x.
f of x. Any doubt? The whole thing divided by someone is in some still. Okay, right.
Okay.
Let us split into two terms, right? Shall we split it into two? This by x plus this divided by x. Let's write limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h. Okay? Tell me what it is. G of x plus h minus g of x divided by x. I'm taking only for this. Okay? Again, a into b whole divided by 2 is a into b by 2. Any doubt? Same way you write them. Any doubt here? You have some doubt. Tell me the next term. Plus, he will say g of x. Any doubt you want me to write this by x plus this by x? Again, I have to. All of you understood this? And tell me what is the next one? F of x plus h minus f of x. Right? This limit h tends to 0 is common for both. Okay, yeah? What is limit h tends to 0? G of x plus h minus g of x by x. G dash of x. According to this, what it will be? G dash of x. G dash of x. Okay, what is d by dx of f of x? F dash of x. Right? So this f dash of x is this. All of you know this. Soon we are writing this d by dx. F dash of x, otherwise dy by dx, anything. Okay? Any doubt? He's doing research with the book. Any doubt? So, now, what is this? Can you tell me? G dash of G dash of
Yes.
all of them following? Yes. So, in this place, what will you do? For this, what will you do? F of x plus h. What will you do here? What will you do? You are going to substitute for x as 0. Okay, you are going to substitute x as 0, and this will become G dash of x and plus G of x. And what is this one? F dash of x. All of you following it? Now, so this will become. If you want to split the limit x tends to 0, f of x plus x, then limit h tends to 0, g of x divided by h plus. This is nowhere connected with the limit. So let me write it outside into limit h tends to 0, f of x plus x minus f of x whole divided by. Any doubt in this? Any doubt, students? So what is this one? G dash of x. Okay. So as f dash of, if you want to write f dash of x is limit h tends to 0, f of x plus x minus f of x divided by g dash. F dash of x is nothing but d by dx of f of x. D by dx of f of x. Okay. Any doubt? Now I'm going to complete this. Any doubt? Some confusion in your face? No? No? Can you tell me what is G dash of x? G dash of x. By using first principle. G dash of x. Limit What is f dash of x? Tell me, what is f dash of x? Read out the formula. What is f dash of x? X. What is g dash of x? Limit extends to 0. Therefore, yeah. Yeah. Next, I saw you talking only Italian. I thought you are studying at home. Next one, what is g dash of x?
limit extends to 0, g of x plus x minus g of x upon x.
Same thing.
X plus x minus
Minus,
g of x plus x.
you tell me, what is x dash of x?
Limit extends
0.
x tends to 0.
First principle formula, you tell me.
X plus f of x plus x.
See here and reading. What is g dash of x? X tends to 0.
Tends to 0. G of x plus x minus g of x divided by x.
All of you following me? So, f dash of x is nothing but differentiation of f of x. Any doubt? Can you tell me what it is? Please tell me, students. Substitute f of x plus 0 into g dash of x. Okay? Plus. What is the next one? G of x into f dash of x. Okay? Right. Now. Therefore, same thing. Okay? Shall I write this? Are you writing here? This? Now you have to help me in question 2. Okay? So which is equal to, I think I can write here or here, equal to f of x, g dash of x, then plus g of x, f dash of x. What is the meaning of this? We are going to see. Okay? Right. Now, therefore, d by dx of f of x into g of x is, I'm giving you the high level. Don't, if you are comparing with the book, no, you'll get confused. Any doubts, students? What is the meaning of this? Two variable terms. Will you listen 1 minute? Let me take y equal to x square sin x. This is f of x and this is g of x. First, how will you find differentiate? Keep the first term same and differentiate the d by dx of sin x plus keep the second term same and d by dx of following it. Right. What did this tell me? X square differentiation of sin x plus sin x and differentiation of x square. So that is nothing but x square cos x plus 2x sin x. Right? So that is the product. You cannot differentiate as it is. Variable into variable. That's why one variable is f of x, another is g of x. Okay? I can take uv also. You may treat u and v as a constant. If I am taking f of x, it is a function of x. It's a variable. F of x is one function. Another variable is g of x. It is both are in terms of x. So you will understand easily. Okay? That's why I took f of x, g of x. In your book, it is given in terms of u. Okay? Next one, I will be asking you, you have to do. Okay, yeah? Right. Understood this one? Not that good. This is the very standard way of proving this result. If you want, you take one example. Before you should say differentiating with respect to every time. DTC means what? WRT means respect to use. Differentiating with respect to, so differentiating y with respect to x. Okay. Have you understood? Yes. Next one is one more time. Very good. Let us write one more time. What is the given? Let me write this as a question. Okay. Right. If y equal to, what did I write? X squared minus x. Find out. Find dy by dx. Okay. And this is f of x and this is g of x. Now y equal to x squared sin x. Differentiating y with respect to x. Okay. Differentiation of y with respect to x is dy by dx. Okay. And what is f of x? X squared. And this is g dash of x. Differentiation of the second variable. What is the second variable? Sin. So d by dx of sin x. Okay. If you want, you can write sin x the whole dash also, right? The meaning is that g dash of x means what? Differentiation of g of x. Differentiation of the second variable. So in between, what sign is there? Plus. And the first, sorry, the second variable should be written as it is. What is the second variable? Sin. And you have to differentiate the first variable. Okay, d by dx of what is that? X squared. Writing the first variable same, differentiate the second variable. Plus, keeping the second variable same and differentiate the first variable. It is a product rule. So x squared and differentiation of sin x is cos x. Plus sin x is same. We will not disturb this. Before that, we don't have any differentiation. And this is differentiation of x squared is x. Now, if you write this as x squared cos x plus x sin x. That is dy by dx. Okay. Can we see that? F of x, g dash of x plus g of x, f dash of x. This is f of x, differentiation of sin x plus g of x and differentiation of x. Right? Read out. You can take a CV also, but you will have, it is not proper. You may not be knowing. When x is increased by, y is increased by delta y, u will be increased by delta u and v will be increased by delta v. There you will have some confusion. That's why I found this. Okay. Shall we go for question rule? All of you are listening? Any doubt, students? Some are not answering, so I'm very much unhappy. Why, students? inside the everybody is writing, right? Right, please. Next one is okay. Question note. D by dx of f of x by g of x. In which form it will be? Variable by variable. Okay? Right. I will write the formula first. G of x into f dash of x minus f of x into g dash of x divided by g of x the whole square. Okay? You can use this also. Okay, students. How will you start, students? Shall we write the formula? What is f dash of x? With less than 0, f of divided by. Okay. This is nothing but I'll say like this. D by dx of f of x. D by dx of differentiation of f of x is f dash of x. Okay. Right. Limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus. So by using this only we are going to write. Slowly we will do. Okay. Now d by dx of f of x by g of x. Okay. So f of x. Yes, I'm making mistake. Equal to. Will you tell me? How will you write this one? In the place of f of x, what you are having? How will you write it in this form? This. In the place of f of x, what you are having? What you are having? F of x by g of x. In the place of f of x, what you are having? What is f of x here? The whole thing is f of x. Not following it. D by dx of the zero. What we are having? D by dx of f of x by g of x. What will you substitute in this place? What you have substituted in this place? G of x. Limit h tends to 0. Who will say next part?
F into x.
F of
F of x plus h minus f of x.
divided by
Okay. G of x plus h.
g of x plus h minus
F of x by g of x.
f of x by g of x. whole divided by okay. You're having down what is in the place of f of x you are having.
X by G of X.
So now here f of x plus x becomes f of x plus x by g of x plus x. Anybody is having any doubt? Anybody is having doubt? All of you are following it? Any doubt? How will you write this? You know? How will you write f of d by dx of f of x by g of x? Or you finding it difficult? If you want, I'll do another method also. First, you take this method. Okay? Right. Tell me what it is. G of x plus f of x plus x by g of x plus x minus f of x by g of x. Any doubt for you? Right. I will do another method also. Okay. First, let us finish this. Sit down. Now, take LCM for this. What is this? Limit h tends to 0. What is LCM for the numerator? F of minus into of x divided by g of x plus h into okay the whole thing divided by h. Okay. Now I will bring this down. Okay. Right. Limit h tends to 0. F of x plus h g of x minus g of x plus h into f of x whole divided by h into okay. Now I'm going to subtract and add f of x g of x. Okay, adding and subtracting f of x and into g of x in the numerator. If you are finding it difficult, anybody is finding it difficult, I'll go for another method also. First, let us take. This is a high level way of doing it. Okay. Another way in your book I will put it. Okay. In the numerator. Okay, yeah. First we subtract, then we will add. Okay, yeah. Slowly we will do it, students. Are you writing? Write, please. We will do easy way, or it is also there in your book that will do. Okay. First you take this one. Always I write this one. Write this and subtract f of x g of x in the very one. Have you completed here? First we will subtract, okay? Can you tell, I think some children have proved this one, right? They are doing it by themselves, I'm very happy about it. So, f of x plus h into g of x, I'm adding and first I'm subtracting into f of x into g of x, then plus f of x into g of x, okay? What is left out? Minus g of x plus h into f of x. Okay, so that's right. Divided by h into g of into x. Okay, yeah. Now limit h tends to 0, first itself I will divide. Then it may be easy for you. Shall I do that? Okay. So what will I do? Shall I write this left side, outside separately? Now listen. Listen carefully. Listen what I am doing. F of x plus h into g of x minus f of x g of x plus f of x g of x minus g of x plus h into f of x whole divided by h into, I can run this side, this students, into, what is left out, shall I write like this? G of x plus h into g of x. Any doubt? Any doubt in this? All of it following me? Right. So, the limit is common for everything. Okay, yeah? Right. Now, so next. Can you tell me split it? Limit h tends to 0. Okay? Shall we take? What is in common we take? What is left out there? F of x plus h minus f of x. Okay? So shall I split it? Shall I write it divided by h? Some people are having doubt. Okay, from this what will I take it in common? F of x. Okay. Shall I take minus minus f of x? Shall I take minus f of x? Why? I want to put g of x plus h first. Any doubt in this? Bit complicated, is it so? Yes? Tell me. Which one? We have had to solve this again and we cancel and go back. Cancel and go back. So, what I have taken in common? Minus f of x. And this will become plus and this will become minus. You should learn high level students that I am doing it. Again, I will do by another method also. Now listen to me what it is. G of minus g of x. F of x is out. What is left? G of x minus multiply this into this will give us 1 and minus into minus plus f of x 0. Okay? Whole thing divided by h. Okay, something is left out, you know. What is that? 1 by g of x plus h into g. Okay? Taking the functions as function of x in terms of two variables. Okay, that is only good for you. Right. Next one, you have another easy method also. I think you'll be happy from solving that. Now listen. Tell me what it is. Split this into two terms. Tell me what is this. So limit is common for everything. You split it and tell me, students. Help me. Okay. Limit h tends to 0. Okay. Tell me what is that? G of x into f of x plus h minus f of x divided by. Can you write like this? Minus. Tell me what is the next one? F of x into g of minus g of x divided by. What is left out? Into 1 by g of x plus h into. Okay. It is common for everything. Any doubt in this? Now you tell me Substitute wherever h is there, you should substitute 0. And what will you write for this? F dash of x. What will you write for this? G dash of x. Okay, right. Now shall we substitute g of x into f dash of x minus f of x into g dash of x into 1 by g of x plus 0 into 0. Any doubt? This is nothing but g of x, f dash of x minus f of x, g dash of x divided by g of x into g of x is. Any doubt? Any doubt? So d by dx of f of x by g of x. Can you tell me what is the formula? G of x into f dash of x minus f of x into divided by g of x. Okay. You will start with the first term. Okay. Now I will prove it in another way also. Second method also we'll see. Book method also we'll see. Okay. This is the high level proof. Your level proof. Okay. If you all except one or two, you all understood method. Okay. But still we do by another method. Okay. Take your own time. If I'm going fast, you tell me. I'll slow down my speed. Sometimes it will not go before you write. That time also you can say, right? Every day I'm having 4 to 5 classes. Have you completed, students? Yes, sir. All of you here. Can you hear my voice at the back? You will not like this method, I know. Shall I go to the next one? He is very much interested. Shall I love this? Have you all taken? Yes. Your method. First principle steps I will follow. Okay? Right. Product rule. In terms of u and v, okay? So v by dx of uv equal to u into du by dx plus v into dv by dx, where u and v are the variables. Okay, huh? Now this is let y equal to okay. Now we can do this way. When y is increased by delta y, this way because the different variables now we have to follow different increment. U will be increased by delta y and V will be increased by delta. Okay, yeah? Right. Now, I will say delta y equal to u plus delta u into v plus delta v minus y. Okay? What is y? Okay? Now, delta y equal to u plus delta u into v plus delta v minus u. It is from 1. Okay? All of you following it? Next one. Delta y multiply u into v, u into delta v plus v into delta u plus delta u into delta v minus uv. These two gets cancelled. Okay? Now, delta y u into delta v plus v into delta u plus delta u into delta v. Okay? Divide throughout by delta x. Okay? Delta y by delta x u into delta v by delta x is okay. Tell me what it is. Delta v by
Delta x.
delta x. Okay. Plus v into this you can take for 1 delta. Either for this or this. Okay. Taking limit delta x tends to 0. So limit delta x tends to 0. Delta y by delta x. This is nothing but what I taught you already in first principle. What is the short form of this? H. Limit delta x tends to 0, delta y by delta x together. How do you say? What do you say? Turn all the pages and check and tell me. Limit delta x tends to 0, delta y by delta x. What you write in the next step? dy by dx. dy by dx. Okay? Equal to. Now listen. U is outside. I take only limit for this. Okay? Limit delta x tends to 0, delta v by delta x plus v into limit delta x tends to 0. What will you say? Whether I have written correctly? Delta u by plus you can avoid delta v by delta. All of them following it? Right. Any doubt? As we know, even though we don't know, we are right. So limit delta x tends to 0, delta y by delta x. The short form of this is dy by differentiation in y with respect to the differentiation in x. Variation in y with respect to the variation in x, then delta x is close to 0. Right? So it is easy for me. All of them right here. Can you tell me what it is? dy by dx equal to u into, tell me students, tell me, u into what is this? When delta x tends to 0, delta y by delta x is dy by dx. What is delta x tends to 0? Delta v by delta x? dv by dx. dv by dx. Okay? Plus V into what is
U by
V
dx.
by okay. Even though this is du by dv by dx, this is close to 0. That should be considered as right. So is it easy? Easier? So d by dx of uv. Can you tell me what it is? U into someone is saying something very loudly.
It is very hard.
Huh?
It is very hard.
This is hard, huh? Is it? Huh? That is only very good. That's what I'm teaching you according to your level. You always like complicated methods. This is your book method. That's why he was checking whether I'm doing it correctly or not. Correct, huh? Question for also we will prove that, okay? Some children may be expecting it by second method, okay? Very good. All together, one by says I cannot believe, but all together you're saying that method only we like. Good to know? Here it may have doubt. Delta rule is delta is a very small thing, so we will take this as zero. Even if you divide this by this will become zero, right? Okay, students. I gave it very nice. What is that? A power x series, Taylor series it is called. E power series. Series you have to remember, students. Series also I'll ask you. E power x series. What is that? 1 plus series of e power x. That also I will ask. 1 plus x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial. That's why 2 days once I will teach you, tell you one series that you should remember. Okay. Series of, you can take that series also separately. Okay. For everything you have series. E power x, sin x, cos x, tan x, a power x. Okay. Again, we can prove this. It is called Taylor series. We can prove very much interesting. That is also. Right, students? Have you understood this? Yes, sir? Question 4. Right, please. U by V. Okay. V into how to remember the formula also I'll tell you later on. This question 2 and you may have doubts while doing problems I'll tell you. Okay. Right. Now tell me how will you do this one? Tell me students, please. Y plus delta y. Okay, delta y. U plus minus y. What is y? Ly. Minus u by it is from 1. What is the next step? Take calcium. U plus delta V, sorry, delta U into V minus U into divided by V into V plus delta V into V. Okay? Looking innocent and doing. And they say very innocent. Turning again forward, doing something. Is it? Right. Divide by delta x. Okay? Before that, shall we do the simplifications? Multiply students. Tell me, students. Someone is saying nothing. Plus. What is that? Tell me. U delta divided by okay. Getting happy someone. Into okay, shall we divide? Okay, divide by I'm going to divide only the numerator. You can understand when I'm writing this step. Okay, divide by delta. Okay, V into wherever I need I will divide. Okay, it will not affect the equation. Okay, delta U delta x whole divided by into divided by delta x. What I have done here? I have taken, I have joined this. Any doubt in this? You take LCM and bring, you can bring it down. Right. Any doubt in this? Wherever it is either I have taken. Now what will you do? Taking limit delta x tends to 0. Tell me what it is, students. Limit delta x tends to 0. Delta y by delta x equal to where it is needed I take it. B limit delta x tends to 0. Delta u by delta x. Is it visible, students? Is it visible? Then minus u into limit delta x tends to 0. Delta v by I think it is not write it down. Tell me once again. Limit delta x tends to 0. Delta y by x equal to b into no movement. delta V by delta x whole divided by V plus delta V. Here also submit it. Limit delta x when delta x tends to 0, delta V will become 0. So it is understood that. Okay, tell me what it is. V into dV by what will you write here? Dy by minus 2. And delta x is 0, delta x tends to 0 into V into dV by dx minus U into dV by dx divided by okay, students, this is nothing but V by dx of by okay. You can't realize because very short period time they are putting half an hour time. Okay, students.